Okay, thanks to all my subscribers that are giving me the opportunity to update this video, because when I get to the comment section of the last posted video about this same question, I find out that some of the subscribers ask me to do it step by step, and some of the subscribers ask me how did I get 40. So what I want to do now is to, first of all, I will work it out, then I will explain later. The solution is not supposed to last more than 1 minute, but the explanation may take longer than that. So let me work it out first. Okay, now this is the working through all these solutions. This is how to find the LCM. So now, within 1 minute, this is supposed to have been ready. The procedure, we look for the LCM, then the LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. This is the LCM 40, and we take the proportion of each fraction from 40. Right, let me work it through and let's see, so you can understand better. This is the question that is given to us to arrange 1 over 5, 3 over 4, 7 over 8, 1 over 2 in descending order. Descending is to count down. You count down from up downward. So you arrange it from, let's say, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, descending order. So let me get started, since we have seen the procedure of working it, but now I want to explain with words. The numbers involved are fractions: 1 over 5, 3 over 4, 7 over 8, and 1 over 2. So the procedure is to get the LCM of all the denominators. The denominators are this number under the fractions. The numbers I circle are the denominators. We look for the LCM of these numbers. So what are we going to do next? We'll write the denominators here: 5, 4, 8, and 2. Then we rule lines. Sorry for that rough line. So you check the number that can go through all of them, the least number that can go through all of them. Like in this case, 2 can go through. So 2 can go in 5, but there will be a remainder of 1. Let's repeat our 5. We don't want any remainder. We want a number that can go through. So 2 can go in 4 2 times. 2 can go in 8 4 times. 2 can go in 2 once. So 2 can still go. Let's put our 2. Let's repeat our 5, because if we use 2, there will be a remainder. Repeat 5 here, so that we'll come back to 5 later. So 2 can go inside this one, just inside the 2. 2 in 2, just one time. 2 can go in 4 2 times, and let's repeat this one, so that marks that we have finished with anyone you see with 1. So 2 can still go. Let's repeat our 5. We'll come back to that. Let's repeat 1 that we have finished here, and 2 can go here 1 time. So we are finished with these 3 sets. Remain this one. So 3 cannot go, there will be remainder. 4 cannot go, there will be remainder. Then 5 can go. 5 can go here just once. Let's mark here that we have finished everything here. So our LCM that we are looking for is equal to this set of numbers here. This set of numbers that we get here. Look at this set of numbers here. All these numbers, the product of those numbers, like 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So if we look at 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, that will give us 40. That is the LCM. So let's continue up here, that our LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 5 will be 40. So that is how we get the 40 that some of my subscribers are asking in the comment section. How did you get 40? So this is the procedure. The first step is to get the LCM of all these denominators, the number below another number in fraction: 5, 4, 8, and 2. So that is how we get that 40. So I hope I cleared that. Now the next step is to compare all these numbers with each other, with our 40, with our LCM. We check the proportion, how many portion we can get here, how many portion we can get here, how many portion we can get here. We will write this first number 1/5 of 40. The next number 3/4. This is 4. 3/4 of 40. Remember, there is comma here that separate them. We are just writing multiply by 40. 3/4 times 40, comma, the next number 7/8. 7/8 times 40. and the last one, this one, 1 over 2 times 40. Are you getting it? This is 1 over 2, 1 over 2 times 40. Let's work this out. How many 5 here? 1. How many 5 in 40? That will be 8. 8 multiplied by this 1 will give you 8. Okay, comma. That is this comma. We have solved this now. Now, 3 over 4. How many 4 here? 1. How many 4 here? It will be 10. 10 times 3, that will give you 30. So another comma, this comma here, we put it there. Now 8 here, 8 is just 1 here. 8 in 40, that will go 5 times. 5 times 7 will give you 35. Are you getting it? So now the fourth one, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 20, right? So 2 in 40, 20. 20 times 1, that will be giving you 20. Okay, now I want to change the color of the pen because this place is very essential. Now, you have seen that these numbers we've gotten from this comparison. Now, if you compare the numbers, this one is bigger. This one is bigger. This one is the next to the biggest one, and this next to that, and this is the least number. So when we are asked to arrange in a descending order from top to bottom, so 35 is the first number that is high. 35 over that our LCM. You see, we want to get the answer now. That's the last thing we want to do. 35 is the first number. The next number is 30 over 40. The next number is 20 over 40, and the last one is 8 over 40. Are you seeing it clearly? So this supposed to be our answers, but we need to bring it to the lowest term so it will match one of these options that they give us here. One of the options. So let's cut this down. If you divide this by 5, 5 here, you will get 7. 5 here, you will get 8. This is 7 over 8. 7 on the top, 8 down. So when you divide this by 10, you will get 3 here. Divide this by 10, you will get 4 here. This is 3 on top, 4 down, comma, 3 over 4, comma. Now, if you divide this by 20, 20 here, 1, 20 here, 2. So 1 over 2, this one will become 1 over 2. The last one. If you divide this by 8 here, 1. Divide 8 here, you will get 5. This is 1 over 5, comma, 1 over 5. And this is the final answer. 7 over 8, 3 over 4, 1 over 2, 1 over 5. Which is the A in this case? A is the option, is the good answer in this case. Every other ones are not arranged in good orders because we are arranging from top to bottom. This is the highest of all of them. This 35 has shown us that is the highest, and the next one is 30. So we now divide it, place it on each of them. As you have known, if there is a certain number here, if there is a certain number here that is up to 40, any one of this fraction, if there is anyone that is up to 40, we'll place it 40 over 40. So this will be 40 here, 1, 40 here, 1, and that will be 1 over 1, which is equal to 1. And you should know that any fraction that the top number, that the numerator is not up to the denominator, that number is less than 1. So all these numbers are not up to 1. All of them. None of these numbers is up to 1. None of them. Are you getting it now? None of this number is up to 1. I don't want this video to be too long in my analysis, so I just want you to get the procedure of how to get to the answer, how to arrange it properly. So I hope I have done it the way my subscribers that are asking me to do it step by step. I've explained it over here. Thank you very much. Continue to subscribe to our channel so that I will be able to serve you better. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload any video, you will be able to know to get it over there. Thank you very much.